Alright, so before you spend money on any proxy service, hear this. I just found a provider offering over 55 million real residential IPs across 185 countries, and the pricing is only 50 cents per gig, and that provider is IPCook. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what IPCook actually offers, why the pricing is surprisingly good, and how their proxies perform in real-world tasks. But right before we dive in, you can actually sign up for IPCook completely for free and test the dashboard for yourself. So I've dropped my special link below. Click on it, create your free account, and you'll be inside IPCook in seconds. Now it costs you nothing to try, and you can also follow along as I walk you through everything. So the first phase of our tutorial is going to be on how you can purchase proxies on IPCook. So let's get started. Alright, so you can see IPCook basically has 4 pricing plans: the basic plan, the advanced plan, the small enterprise, and also the enterprise plan. So each and every of those plans has its own uniqueness and features, so you want to make sure you're picking the right pricing plans for yourself. So for me, I'm going to be working with the small enterprise plan because I think that would fit me well and also fit the purpose at which I would like to use my proxies for. So I'm going to click on buy now quickly, and right from here you can see what I'll be getting. I'll be getting 1,000 gigabytes of residential proxies, and 0.8 cents is going to be cost for one gigabyte. Then the time limit is also unlimited, and the processing fee is $24. So I'm going to start a free trial right here, so before so I can get to use things out before being charged. And also, if you would like to make payment, there are 3 ways you can make payment. We have the local payment, we have Skrill, and we also have by choosing your balance. So for me, I'm going to work with my balance, and I'm going to click on continue to pay. Alright, and that's it, guys. So you can see success. We've been able to purchase our proxies. Alright, so we can now move over to the next phase. So you getting your proxies on IPCook is easy. All you have to do is to choose just the plan that fits you and make your purchase, and that's it. You're good and you're ready to start using proxies. Alright, guys, so since we've been able to purchase our proxies, now we should also learn how to set up our proxies right here on IPCook. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be working with residential proxies because that is what I want to show you how to do right here in this video, and to me, which is also one of the best. So I'm going to come over right here, residential proxies, and right from here, guys, this is where you want to input your credentials basically. So for me, I'm going to be working for the country. We're going to be working with the United States of America, but mind you, on IPCook you have lots of countries that you can choose from. You don't have to limit yourself to the United States of America. You can work with other available countries right here. And so for the city and state, you can actually choose quite a number of cities and states available in the United States of America, but I'd recommend you go with random. And now the reason why I love working with random is because IPCook would always want to give me the best available city and also the best state available at a particular time. But let's say you want to be specific, you can go ahead in choosing your city and also selecting your state, and that's how you choose your city and state on IPCook. Now moving over to the protocol type. So for this, we basically have HTTP and we have SOCKS 5. So I'm going to be working with SOCKS 5 because that's what I want. It's actually popular and it works just fine. And for the rotation, guys, now you want to also select your rotation IP. For me, I'm going to be working with a random IP, but let's say you want to work with the sticky IP, you can actually select the time you want it to be available for. So let's say you can work with 5 hours. If you want to change that, you can also do something like, let's say, 2 hours, 12 hours. It all depends on what you want. So majorly, many of these credentials are going to be based on your preferences, and IPCook has given you that leverage to choose which would work for you perfectly fine. So for me, I'm going to be going with randomized IP. Okay, and then we can see for the proxy host name and proxy port, it's already on default by IPCook, so there's nothing you're going to do about that. And now what you need to do from here is to go ahead and add in a sub account. Alright, so right now to add our sub account, I'm going to be clicking on add a sub account right from this very place. And once you are here, basically what you need to do is to input a username. So for me, I'm going to input my username and also the password. I'm also going to input the password. So this can literally be anything that would resonate with you. Okay, and now as you can see, the traffic I have available right here is displayed on my screen. So I'm also just going to allocate an amount of traffic to this sub account. So let's quickly go with this one. All right. So I've been able to allocate an amount of traffic to this particular sub account. So I'm going to click on save right from here. All good, and here we go, guys. So you can see we were brought back to this place. So now once you've been able to add your sub account, you should have this proxy name and also the proxy password being displayed right here, and you can see the account is also being displayed. So now we're going to be coming over to this particular box here where we have to choose the quantity or the amount of proxies we'd like to create. All right, you can see we have 10 by default. So for me, for the quantity, I'm going to be reducing this to 1. Okay, then I'm going to click on generate, and you can see automatically we were able to have our proxies available for us. But if you come down a little bit, okay, right before we touch that, if you come down a little bit, you're going to be finding something that has to do with API integration examples. Now, IPCook also has the ability, all right, to help you set up an API which you can also use. So if you would like to make use of the PHP format, you can have it. It's also available on IPCook. If you would like to go with Python, if you also like to go with this one here, Java, C++, and also you can have a lot of API set up for you. And that's it, guys. That is how you generate your proxies right on IPCook. Alright, guys, so to test if our proxy is working, I'm going to be making use of an anti-detect browser, and for the purpose of this video, I'm making use of Flash ID. So I'm going to be creating a new profile so I can impute my proxies to see if it is working fine. So I'm going to set it up right now. Okay. All right, and you can see this very place where it says add proxy. I'm going to click on add proxy. So I'm going to come back to IPCook, all right, and I'm going to copy my proxy right here. I'm going to copy it right now, and I'm going to come over to Flash ID, and I'm going to impute it, Control V to paste that in there. Very good. And so you can see it says that successfully, all right. So I'm going to click on save right now. Then I'm going to click on confirm. Alright, so that is it, guys. You can see we have our proxies already imputed into our new profile. You can see the proxy of this profile is being displayed, and you can see it's from IPCook. So I'm going to click on start right now, and here we go, guys. You can see we have a browser already downloaded and opened up. So I'm going to come over right now, and I'm going to click on those profile already generated for me by Flash ID. Okay, then I'm going to come over to this place, and I'm going to search for what's my IP, just to show you guys that IPCook really delivers. So I'm going to click on what's my IP, and I'm going to be working with this particular website. So I'm going to choose this one, and here we go, guys. So you can see, so we have our IP already in the United States of America, and you can see at this current moment our region is California, and also our city is Los Angeles. Now this is the reason why I tell people to always go with the random option available on IPCook. Alright, so you can also see the map here. This is where we are currently browsing from, and that is why I tell people when you are using IPCook, always go with the random option, because IPCook is going to be helping you find the best servers available, so that you can carry out whatever thing you're using you want to use those IPs for. So that's how you actually create your IP on IPCook, and that's how you also configure it on your browser to start browsing and all like that. So I can go over to YouTube now, I can go over to Facebook, I can browse on my favorite social media apps, and my IPs, alright, are going to be showing that of the United States of America. So guys, that is how you do it with IPCook. Alright, guys, so that's a full breakdown on IPCook. If you want fast, stable proxies without burning money every single month, this is honestly one of the best priced options out there. And if you're ready to get started, don't forget to use my coupon code down below at the checkout. It gives you a discount on any plan you choose to work with. So whether you are scraping, automating, or managing an account, saving a little extra never hurts. So the link is going to be in the description. Go test it out and see how it fits into your workflow, and I'll catch you in my next video. Please take care of yourself, and bye.